Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Ledger Flex. First, carefully unbox your new Ledger Flex device and make sure all parts are there. Next, connect your device to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Then, visit the official Ledger website to download and install the Ledger Live application. This software is essential for managing your device and digital assets. Now power on your Ledger Flex and follow the simple on-screen prompts. You will want to select the option to set up a new device, rather than restoring from a phrase. Next, you will create a secure PIN code. This code should be between 4 and 8 digits long, and you will confirm it twice for security. Remember this PIN as it protects your device. This step is crucial for your security. Your Ledger Flex will display a 24-word recovery phrase. Write each word down precisely on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check every word for accuracy. Then, you will verify the phrase by re-entering it on your device. Finally, store this recovery phrase in a safe, private, and offline location, as it is your only backup. With your Ledger Flex initialized, open Ledger Live on your computer and connect your device. Unlock your Ledger Flex with your PIN. Inside Ledger Live, go to the Manager section. Here, you can browse and install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. This allows your Ledger Flex to manage different digital assets securely. You are now ready to use your device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.